Hello my loves, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to construct these lovely little gift pouches. They're all William Morris designs and each paper has its own complementary coordinating backing sheet and also its own little gift card. So you've got writing space for gifting there. Each one of mine has got a hanging loop, so it will go on a Christmas tree. Of course, I've got my signature tassel on there. They're really beautiful and they hold a surprising amount. Here's a bottle of distress ink. I wouldn't be gifting that obviously, but if I were to receive it I would be very happy. And a bulldog clip. So you can see that you would be able to put toiletries, cosmetics, candy, that kind of thing in there. Let's show you how much stuff it will actually hold. It's surprising. This is all my bits and bobs, little bits of embellishments. So I can get that many in there. Look how many that is. That's quite a lot, I think you'll agree. And there are 4 different designs, all beautiful, all William Morris, all printed on the back, and you get this beautiful contrast on the inside. And I'm going to show you 4 different ways that you can embellish these. You don't have to use my kit, even though it's beautiful, to make these things. You can use a square of your own paper or thin card. So carry on watching and let's see how we put these beautiful, very simple and yet very effective things together. These are so fun and so easy to make. I'm printing on 120 gram and also 160 gram. I don't think I'd want to go much higher than that because they're going to get a bit too stiff, but both of these weights work beautifully. Now you want to reverse print page 1 with page 2, page 3 with page 4, page 5 with page 6 and page 7 with page 8. So that's how the kit is ordered. Right, let's make one. So simple. You've got your little gift card here, which obviously simply folds in half. You've got your little tag to put on the front if you want to. These are 1.5 inches. So if you've got 1.5 inch circle punch, you're a winner. And then this piece we're going to turn and put the paler sides together, folding it in half diagonally. So honestly, they're so simple, they're so much fun. You can make loads of these for gifts. And then bring this piece up so that it's parallel with the bottom and just shy, don't go right to the edge, just shy of that edge, make a crease. And then you're going to do the same the other way around, just shy of this edge. And make a crease, fold this piece down over the top and you're done. That's it. Your little gift card pops in that space there. You've got this to go on the front, and with each page and with each kit you get a little metallic effect tag as well, and you can pop that on whatever you might want to pop on with a name or a little sentiment or whatever. And that's it. That's as simple as it is. You don't need to glue. You can glue if you want to, but by the time you've got a few things in there, I've got a few things here. Bulldog clips. If somebody were to give me bulldog clips and glue, I'd be very happy. And you can fit a pen in there, something like that. Straighten up your little note card there, and the whole thing stays shut. So you don't need to glue it. So here they are in all their glory. Don't they just look fab? Let's have a look at how we can embellish them. Let's start with this one here with this beautiful William Morris oak leaf pattern on it. Now I've got some gold ribbon here. I'm going to cut myself. Is this double-sided, this stuff? Yes, it is. I'm going to cut myself a little piece like this. Glue this onto the reverse of my, where's my glue gone? Of my circle. Like that. Glue that piece down as well. And then glue that onto the front. Just there, I think. Or should we go a bit higher? No, let's go there. I think this one is on 120. No, it's on 160, this one. So pop that on there. Pop my circle on. Arrange that how I like it. And there we go. Doesn't that look pretty? And we can further that with an eyelet at the top. And let's make a hanging loop for it. So I'll make an hole and hole. And I'll pop a gold eyelet in. Getting that the right way round so I get a nice set. There, looks really nice. I'll get myself another length of gold. How much do I want, do you think? A little bit to hang. And I want to tie a knot in this gold ribbon. It's quite stiff ribbon, this one. There we go, and that's that ready to hang on a Christmas tree with my, where's my little tag gone? And of course I've got my words here as well. I can pop that on the front. I could pop that on this bit here. Let's ink that, get rid of that raw edge. And I'm going to pop this on up at the top here. Oh, I've got the from the wrong kit. Doesn't matter. Doesn't matter one bit. And if you want to, you can mix these things up. Haven't experimented with that. You could mix these things up, for instance. That might look quite nice there. Wonder what it looks like when you mix the cards up. Try that. You could do that. You could do that. Up to you. Have a play about and have some fun with it. I'm going to stay true to them because that's how I've designed the kits. And that's it. That's your little gift pouch. What should we put in there? What have I got? It's a hand. Oh, look at these. I've got some glue and I've got some bulldog clips and I've got a pen there. So you can see you can actually get quite a lot in there for sweeties, for candy, for little bits and bobs. It looks really, really well. Right, let's have a look at what other embellishment techniques we can use on these things. I love that. That looks so nice. Right, let's have a look at this one. I've got a couple of pieces of ribbon here that are that coordinate nicely with that. I could decorate it there, couldn't I? But the idea I've got for this one is to go in and make 2 holes with my eyelet setter. If I can get it in there, which I can I could do with marking these off actually with pencil first. So let's decide where I want to make my holes. I want to make them, there's the centre, I want to go off centre and the same again on the other side. With this bending, I can't quite see where the middle is anymore. So come down just a little way, make my hole right through all of them, and the same, if I can get in there, the same where I make my other hole, at my other mark. There we are. 2 holes, they're going to need eyelets, aren't they? I'm going to go rose gold with this one because I've got a nice pink here in these flowers. Pop them in. Oh, they're thick, aren't they? It's going through how many layers of paper? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's going through 6 layers. And that's why you don't want to go You don't want to be using too heavy a cardstock. You keep your cardstock nice and light because there are a lot of layers when you're done. I'll set those. Oh gosh, I've gone off there. Oh, I hate when I do that. There we are. Right, let's make a hole up at the top as well. Let's get a hanger for this too. I might as well pop that in while we're there. There we go, there's my eyelets in, and now I've got my ribbon, and I was going to use this copper ribbon. So I want to tie a bow on the front of this. So I'm going to pop me a little bit of ribbon under there, back out. I've decided to go with the copper. And then just tie myself a bow at the front here. Off camera, I'm a pretty good bow tire. On camera, the ribbon gods don't like me. I pop these little bits behind. I'll keep those at the bottom and these bits at the top, and it'll give me that nice look. I'll make that a bit smaller. There we go, and then I can trim off my ends with a good pair of scissors. And I'm going to go for that nice little V shape at the bottom there. Just that little bit of extra attention to detail. There we go. There's my bow on. Looks really pretty. Where's my little circle for this one? And I've got my name tag. And then I've got my little tag here. That my circle. Now for this one, I think I'm going to glue this on here. Into the centre. And then I'm going to trim off the excess. I have got this green ribbon here as well. I think I'll stick with the copper ribbon for this one. I'm going to glue this one on here. It could go on my card if I wanted it to. I'm going to ink this edge when I find my thing. So this is my little name tag to go on the front. Pop that on there. And I'm going to use, I'm not going to go for this green ribbon in the end. I think I'm going to keep it consistent in a less is more kind of way. And as soon as I can find the ends to this ribbon, there we go. I'm going to make myself another hanger. I think I'll make all of these so they hang. Loop it through, and there we have another one done. They look so beautiful. They look so lovely. I've got another name tag that I could pop up here if I wanted to with the name on as well. They're looking really sweet. Right, let's have a look at another idea. So for this one, I am going to use a dangle, and why wouldn't I? Because they're beautiful and I've got them. So I'm going to make myself an eyelet. Like that. I'm going to have a dangling ribbon because I want to hang this So I'll cut myself a length of ribbon as well and loop that. And then my tassel, I think I might loop it through the ribbon because then it will want to hang from the front. There we go, that's just grand. There, and then we have that one. That looks so super lovely. Got a little bit there I can trim off. My card goes in there and it fits in just nicely when I get the angle right. Fits in just nicely with a little bit of a border around the edge. Looks really good. And this piece I'll stick on the front. There we go. That's that one. Looks really well. Really nice. Because I want to give you 4 different ideas of how you can decorate and treat these lovely little things. I'm going to do this one completely differently. A little bit of a curved ball here. I'm going to pop my tag under there. And when this is slightly curved and it's got things in it, you'll see that that holds that in place really very firmly. I'm not pulling that out. Even when it's flat, it stays in very, very well. So that's grand. So I'm going to eyelet because I want all of these things to be able to hang. I'm going to put a rose gold one in this one. Could have scented that a bit better. There we go. And this one I'm going to not have the knot. I've had the knot at the top of the piece of ribbon on the others, and I'm not going to do that here. I'm going to glue this piece of ribbon onto the back just as an alternative fixing method for you. So spread those out there. And they look okay like that, lots of glue, so they'll stick on nicely. And then I've got my hanging loop without having the knot at the top if you want that extra little bit of finish. This one I'm going to just pop on to the back. Here. And that's that one done. I like the look of that. It kind of looks, I don't know, it reminds me kind of samurai. It gives me that kind of vibe. But it looks really pretty. It's beautiful design, that one. I really, really love it. So here are our 4. Let's zoom out a little bit for you. Here are our 4 designs complete. And I think you'll agree, they look pretty special, pretty lovely. I'm really happy with them, really happy, very simple, very easy, very quick to put together and then decorate them how you see fit. Have lots and lots of fun, guys. I'll see you next time.